quite a bit. So these are pieces of china, dishware. The one here on my left, this yellowish one, I'll get Mike to walk them through for you. This is yellowware. They started using this type of dish for baking and things like that around 1840. So we know that this was used out here 1840 onwards, right? This other piece here is a little bit of decorated, sponge decorated, refined ceramic. And even from this tiny piece with the way it's shaped, I can tell that this is from the 1830s. So even just a tiny piece can tell us what's going on out here.
Can you think of any kinds of rock they might have used in that time?
This might be like
What would this be?
this might have gone like into like a cannon, I think.
It's not a can. Looks like the handles are big.
Or maybe like a really big gun.
This looks like for
Or maybe a really big gun.
Yeah, which one did you get? I'm thinking it's like
It could be something for like a gun.
The thing is, it's hollow. So
well, not really when you get hit by it.
Oh, this? Where it all that's this.
I thought it was like way up the.
Yeah,
this is like it couldn't have been. This couldn't have been in a can. I think there's something that would go into a gun.
Yeah, this one.
So like ammo. Yeah, or maybe something like something because it's hollow.
I know those. Both of those are They're both from muskets and cannons.
Yeah.
They load this and they load this one is like. Okay, so this is like full of. It's supposed to be full of like gunpowder and stuff, and this one's the bullet. So when they light
Put this in there, and then when they light it, this
exactly.
That's smart. I think this is the belt buckle because look, it almost looks like it's there.
That's actually the blanket, and then the polyester is that. And then the other straw wrap.
Maybe like keeps it together or something. I don't know. It doesn't look like anything I've ever seen.
You're asking, when you're playing a game like this, a game that's really called What Is It? What are some of the questions that you want to know the answer to help you with this?
Where might have they used it?
Where they might have used it. That's good. Everybody agree with that? Does that make sense? Okay, what else?
What did they use it for?
What did they use it for? Yes? What's it made out of? That's a really good question. Yes?
Shape and size?
Shape and size, yes. Especially if it's a piece of something, like a piece of that plate that you're holding right there. Is there anything else that you might think of? Right, how it was used. Okay, so now you've asked about the thing itself. Now I noticed some of you were very clever because you sought out what in the very room to help you. Aha, so what does that represent right there? What is that?
A red coat or just a British soldier?
Right, a British soldier.